Harry has excelled with A grade in the class. How do you think should the parents or educators react? There are three options. Quickly read them and drop in a comment box supporting the reaction which according to you is most appropriate, and watch the video to find out whether you're right. Hi all, welcome back to my channel Techie Minds. After discussing and understanding what is growth and fixed mindset, we are here today to understand more about how to develop a growth mindset. Let's watch the video to understand this better. In our previous video, we have understood what is fixed and growth mindset. If you have missed it, please watch it to relate to this video in a better way. By now, we know the significance of growth mindset. We are aware that people who have growth mindset learn and achieve more than those with fixed mindset. From the research of almost a decade by Professor Dweck of Stanford University, it is possible to develop a growth mindset. In today's video, we would see what Professor Dweck has proposed to develop a growth mindset by following a few steps, and how educators, parents, individuals can contribute for developing a growth mindset. To change the mindset from fixed to growth, the first and foremost thing required is belief. We need to believe that we can do it. The story of Brooklyn Bridge, which portrays having a vision, believing in it, and then pursuing it with a never say die attitude, is the best example to prove it. For instance, if you believe in the fact that you can reduce weight, only then it is possible to work towards achieving it. But only believing will surely not help achieve it. So the correct effort or action towards achieving it is the next step. Once you have decided to reduce weight, you need to take action and work to take efforts towards achieving the same. Perseverance is the key. You need to ensure if you have been following everything required to get the result. Please mind well, focusing on the process is more vital than focusing on the result. Learn and grow. Review whether you have been exercising enough, eating right, sleeping well, following the process, and most important of all, not quitting midway. Repeat the process. Continue to take effort towards achieving it until the best in you is found. This is applicable everywhere, be it health, sports, studies, workplace, relationship, or more. Let's look at what can be the contribution from educators and parents be towards developing growth mindset. For this, let's first understand how are children raised today. Are we preparing them to accept that failure is a first step to success and that they need to learn from their mistakes? Do they look for validation in everything they do? And most important of all, how do we reward them? It is important for educators to nurture curiosity and inquisitiveness amongst children. Keep them engaged and encourage them to act, explore and follow a process, evaluate and make strategies for further improvement. This will help them move towards growth mindset. Scientists have proved that electrical activity in the brain for students with growth mindset is more than that with fixed mindset. Another crucial outcome of research by Professor Dweck and her team is that appreciation or praise should not be of intelligence but of the process. By praising the intelligence, we limit the thinking of an individual. The appreciation should be of effort, process, and strategies. Focus should be on rewarding or appreciating the process and strategy which will help them to achieve yet instead of praising the now which will keep them satisfied in what they have achieved. By doing so, we are nurturing inquisitiveness, perseverance, confidence, and resilience to learn and achieve more. Push them to try hard every time rather than being satisfied in the first time. So, the answer to the question asked in the beginning of the video is not option A or B, but option C. Appreciate the effort, process, and strategy. So, instead of saying, "Wow, look how intelligent Harry is," and limiting him, a good way of praising would be, "Good job, Harry. I can see that you are taking efforts. Continue the way you have been doing. Review your mistakes and do the best next time." By training children towards growing mindset, we are creating a future generation or individuals who believe in themselves and would understand that there is always a scope for improvement. And these people will change from "I can't" to "I can't yet, but I definitely will." Thank you.
Thank you all for watching the video. I'm sure after understanding what is growth mindset and how to develop it, you all will practice to implement the same. Keep watching Techie Minds to have more such videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get a notification whenever I come up with a new video. Do write to me in the comment box or on the email ID specified in the description box below. Thank you for watching.